understand by data? How many kind of data is there? Anyone? Okay, I'm telling you. Raw information, very good. Very good, Vishal. 2. What kind of? One is unprocessed stat and other is raw. Very good. Or in the simple terms, we say we have a primary data and we have secondary data. So, I'm sorry. Primary data means what? Now, primary data is defined as a kind of a data. Primary data means what? Figure and facts. Figure and facts are both in primary and secondary. What do you understand by this raw information and unprocessed stats? Vishal is saying raw information is of one kind and Praful is saying another kind is unprocessed stat, primary and secondary. First hand. First hand is what, Vishal? Out of this primary and secondary, very good, very good. Primary is your first hand data. Your first hand data, or we say collected data which you do yourself. Collected data which is done by own efforts, which you are collecting. And you have a complete authenticity of this data. Secondary data is which is not first hand, which is not first hand, which is already established or published, which is already established or evaluated, established or published or unpublished. It is done by somebody else. You are not doing, but you are using their data. Understood? So such kind of data is your secondary data. Now, you have a data, either primary or secondary. Then what do you do with this data? We need a presentation. How you are going to present that data? What do you mean by presentation of data? Anyone else? In how many ways you can present your data? And why we need to present our data? Anyone? Graph chart? Okay, yes, very good. This is a one kind. You present your data in the form of graph, statics, as statics. We are doing statics only for better understanding. Very good, Vishal. Yes. Tables. Abhiraj. Table is again a kind of a presentation. Why we need a presentation? Why you have collected data, either primary or secondary. You have any kind of data. Now you want to present a data. Why you need a presentation of data? Very good, Prashant. Because we need a better analysis. A better analysis means from this data, whatever we have collected, or we have collected this information or data or anything, we are able to derive a meaningful sense to the collected data. If we can derive any information which is making any sense, information which makes any sense. Okay. So we need a presentation of data. Now, presentation can be done in many ways. You already know, like say suppose histogram, bar graph, histogram or bar graph, or ogive, polygon, frequency polygon or ogive, they both are same, or pie chart. You must have studied this in your lower classes in 9th or 10th, right? For easy understanding, yes. Say suppose it's a very easy example. In Punjab, elections are coming. So you see, people are coming to your houses. They collect the data. How many family members are residing in your house? See, what are they doing? They are collecting the data. Why? Why are they collecting the data? So they have precise information that how many votes they are going to fetch, right? So just to get that information for their meaningful sense, that if say suppose there are 1,000, it's a population of 1,000 people in this one society or in a colony, then it is derivable that at least 50 to 60% would be able to give their votes. So now it is making a sense. So this kind of a collection of data is making some sense. So that is why we need data, then we need a meaningful presentation so that information can be understood easily, right? Now, statistical data, this is just data. If we talk about the statistical data means which has a meaningful presentation, whatever I have told you till now. This is considered under a statistical data which can be represented mathematically in these forms: histogram, bar graph, or a pie chart, polygons, etc. ठीक है?